Assalamu alaikum, students. Today we are going to talk about one very important feature of swift or fast communication, that is elision. Let's see what elision is. So, if you see uh, sounds which appear in the citation forms or words can be lost in connected speech. This is one line definition of elision. If you try to understand it or elaborate it, you will find that this definition means that when we pronounce words carefully and alone, all sounds are usually spoken clearly. But in normal fast conversation, some sounds disappear to make speaking easier or quicker. This disappearance of sounds is called elision. So we can say elision is the omission or dropping of a sound in fast or connected speech. It happens naturally in everyday speaking to make pronunciation smooth or easy. Now let's see how some sounds disappear when people speak quickly in connected speech. We have two examples here. What I have done, I've shown you two transcriptions of the both examples. If you see the first one, it is first signs. When you speak slowly, it will be f, a, s, t, s, I, n, and z. T sound is there, but when you speak it with speed, it will become f signs. So t sound will disappear. If you see the second example, here it is s, a, k, sh, n, d, n, I, t. Second night. If you speak it slowly and separately, the sound will be there. But if you speak with speed, it will become second night. So you can say that in both examples, in first one, t sound disappears or dropped, and in second one, the sound disappears or it is dropped. So such kind of dropping or omission of sounds is called elision. The sounds that disappear are called elided sounds. So in these two examples, we can say that t is elided in first signs and d is elided in second night. In simple words, elision means leaving out certain sounds during fast or natural speech to make pronunciation easier or smoother. Now let's talk about certain other examples. If you see the heading, it is elision with suffixes. In these two examples, the word exactly and hands, you will see that these are the words which are made with the help of suffixes. So these two examples explain that elision does not happen only in sentences or connected speech. It can also happen inside words when new endings are added or when two words join together. When suffixes like ly, s, ed are added, some sounds may disappear to make pronunciation easier. You can take example of exactly, it is exact, and then ly is added. So the word contains a t sound in spelling, but many people pronounce it as exactly. If you see spellings, it seems exactly, but when people speak it or pronounce it, they pronounce it exactly and they drop t sound. If you see the second example, that is hands, you find that when you write it, it will be hands. But when you speak it fluently, it will become hands. The sound will be dropped. So in both examples, we have seen that in first one, t sound may disappear, and in second example, the sound may also disappear. So both will be called elided sounds. Then elision in compound words. What two words combine when two words combine to make one word, sounds may also be dropped. Such kind of words are called compound words. You can take example of these two compound words, software and child care. If you see, when you write it or when you speak slowly, it will be software, software. But when you speak fluently with speed, it will be software. T sound will disappear, will be dropped. And same in child care, you will see when you write it or when you speak it very slowly, it will be child care. Ch I D K E, child care. But when you speak it fluently with speed, it will become child care. The sound will disappear here. So in first one, t is again an elided sound, or it is omitted. And in the sound, in child care, is also omitted, so it is elided sound. So I hope that you people have understood this very important idea of fluent and speedy speech, and you have understood it very well. So keep watching for more knowledge. Thank you for watching.